Hey, this is Ricardo with Kolter, and this is your Hyde Park House construction update. We've had a lot of progress in the last couple of weeks. Come on, let's go take a look. Here we are on level 5, our amenity deck, and we can begin to see the formation of our pool deck and amenity area. What's so great about Hyde Park House is our location and closeness to your favorite restaurants, your favorite venues, the Hyde Park Village, and Tampa's largest sidewalk. Look at these amazing views. And speaking of views, let's go check out our working deck. On our way to level 9, we're stopping at one of our Bedford units, which has beautiful views of historic Hyde Park, known for its famous mature oaks and tranquil atmosphere. Here we are at level 9. We just finished level 8 this week and now forming level 9. Amazing views from this deck of the bay, of downtown Tampa, and of beautiful historic Hyde Park. In the next couple of weeks, we'll continue with vertical construction and utility installs. Thanks for joining us for this episode of the Hyde Park House Construction Update. Luxury living, timeless style.